back again live at the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, this is just the new cement mixer I just received today. And guys, just want to show you everything. I'm gonna be doing a test again with this Yamaha, the EF2000IS inverter generator. So this is what it is. Just get the product here, brand new, and we're gonna be doing some tests. You know, if you like the videos and I've been doing, and check them out and share the video, go back to my playlist, you can see a lot of stuff. If you haven't seen the generator, this is a 2000 watt, you know, and pure sine wave. And you guys, if you haven't seen the review, go back and take a look at it and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. I already made a review on them, and these are just the reviews I'm going to do combination with the mixer right here. At least you guys can able to see you can run this cement mixer with little generators like this. So it doesn't matter what kind of generators, as long as you have a good generator at the wattage, and it works with, can able to handle the wattage. That's what I was gonna say. And you can run these machines. They're not really hard to run because the motor is right here, and I can't even able to show you the specifications on this one here. So I can't find the sticker, and I don't want to go through and open up all these yet. But anyway, this is what it is, and these are the gears. The gear is gonna be rolling into those things, and that's how the machine gets spun around, and so the wires on this, there's a little gear down there, and that's what this machine here, the motor, spin it and it will start running. So stay tuned, because we're gonna be doing some reviews or tests on this. But really, if I want to do a test, I want to make sure that I have maybe a cement mixture, you know, so that we can able to see the load, what's the capacity that this system, this generator can handle on this machine right now. So if you are excited to see a test like this, I know a lot of you guys have done this, you've seen it, you already own one or you rented one before, but I own this one. So I own this one, so I just want you guys to see what I'm gonna do, mixing cement, and you guys will see the output of this at the end of the day. So just see, bear with me. You know, I'm not a builder doing a concrete, but we all learn here. So maybe you guys can give me your tips on all these good stuff as we all learn as we go. So these are the machines, and this is the setup. I have a big generator in there with a 6.6 kilowatt Yamaha. Then I have two Hondas 3500 Honda generators. So, and this is the switch right here. You can flip this for the on and off, and this yellow thing is the key. You can able to take this key off from preventing any hazard or accident from happening before you turn the breaker. Okay, all right, so to get some, the wheels I don't like, I might probably try to improvise here. Put a bearings onto this, because it's just regular wheels. You see, it just rides, it glides on this metal right here. But I would love to have bearing wheels on it, so it spins on the bearing instead of, this one's gonna stay stationary. But this guy, entire guy, keep spinning, and it's gonna be making the noise. It's gonna squeal, and I want a better wheels for this. So you see, they kind of like, they have to give you that kind of free spin right here, because there's no bearings. It's a cheap way. but I'm going to try to get wheels with bearings on them. I can just able to put this, and this thing stays stationary, and just this one old wheel doesn't spin. It's just from the bearings right here. You guys know what I'm talking about. So use this handle here to do the pivot tilt when you already mix. And the way I have it right now, the way they have it right now is a way that already washed it and trying to dump all the water. So the other machine I have, and it has bearings right there, you can able to do some greasing and all that stuff. That's a one expensive one. I don't know, I think I didn't make a video on that, but anyway, I have to show you all of those videos some other time right here at the jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Take care and have an awesome day. And if it's an evening to you, have a blessed day, or good night and good morning. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, we just made it to the 7,100 subscribers. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Thank you so much for that. Love you. Bye. And like and subscribe. Check on the playlist for more videos, and some videos are there that can answer all your questions. Bye for now.